So the entire market has turned bullish. Let's talk about it. I hate to say I told you so, though. I mean, I don't hate to. I actually love to say it. Let's look at it. So Bitcoin's looking really good on the weekly chart. Like I said, let's go back in time a few weeks. I was telling you guys, I'm going to be that guy. Fuck it. I'm going to be that guy. I got to do it. Back here, I was telling you guys, we were going to get a bearish cross on the weekly. But what had me concerned is how high Bitcoin had already went going into this bearish cross. So like I always say with these 1334 moving averages, if the price is around the moving averages, just ignore that shit. Don't even pay any attention to it, because it's probably gonna do the opposite. So we got another push down, which gave us the bearish cross. And I just had this feeling like, I don't think that we're gonna give an easy layup rollover where it's just gonna, it's bearish, we're going down. Usually when there's a bearish cross, the move has already happened. So we'll go back here. We can see on this bearish cross back here, the price was already down here. So the move is already over. So if the price is right here and we're crossing, it's probably not the best signal to go bearish. So it's looking really good. We're pushing at 30K. That's exactly where I said I wanted to see it go. We still got 2 days on this candle. Let's see what happens. What I want to see going forward on the weekly chart is I want to see us just stay where we are and get these moving averages to cross back bullish. Now, if that happens, Lord,
nigga, give me some more.
I'm gonna be very happy, guys. If we get a bullish cross on this moving average and the price is away, not like we had here, I don't want to see this here happen. So the moving average is cross bullish, but the price is like down here. I don't want to see that, because then we'll be smothering this support line again and attempting to break it and go for another move down. What I want to see is these moving averages cross and price just some type of, indecision candle as we wait for these moving averages to come around in about a week or two, and then one more push. Now, the bad news about that, I got to give it to you. The bad news about that is we still got a good ways to go for the high. So the high is about here. So even if we did get a doji candle and then move sideways, get a doji candle and then push up into this area of resistance, it's probably a high chance that we're going to start to run out of steam. Now, I know it has to happen though. So if we come into this area, what I want to see, just like I said back here, what I want to see is a strong move. So I want to see another, it would be nice if it happened this week, but I'm not going to count on it. Next week or the next 2 weeks, 2 strong moves, and we got to get to 30. I'm going to say 33 and close before I'm like, wow, that might be it. And we're not going over to new lows. I already don't think we're going to new lows. I think the halving was about 200 days away. Wow, 180 days away. So looking in the past, what's happened, if we go back to the previous halving, COVID sell-off before the halving, which was in May. So we had one last sell-off. This came in February. So, we're right on schedule too. Like if we look at the last halving or last cycle, when we ran up July, August, September, we're October right now. So if you look at this, it's really interesting how in October, we were doing about the same thing. We were having a bearish cross and then another run into the beginning of the year. And then one final crash in March. And even with that, we were still able to get back up before the halving, which was here, and then go for a run. So there's still plenty of time for things to go bad. Basically, don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. We still got plenty of time for things to go bad. I think we could take one more stab under this 290, maybe get into this pocket here. make a higher low, on some pre-having something, some big surprise or something, some type of global thing happens and pushes us down into there, and you're not going to buy because the world's about to end, right? So just getting that in my mind as well. But the most bullish move that I'm getting in my mind is just continuing to grind up and make this ascending wedge here. This is what I want to see. I want to see us move all the way up to 34, 35. In the next couple of weeks, get everyone really, really bullish. Goodness. And then maybe one more break of this, a break of this formation, a break of this to the downside would get everyone really, really sad. And I think that would be the last opportunity. I think these are the best prices that we could have got. And I think we may get some 18, some 19 in the next couple of months. But I hope not, though. Subscribe.